Hi, this is me, Amal Hermuz from Vivyan Hair Design Spain. As you see, we are here in Spain, yes, and I have here with me a lovely, nice lady from Ireland, Helen, yes, and she's first time here in Spain, and she had a little bit problem with her hair. And Helen, tell us, what do you want us to do for you?
I want you to give me some body in my hair because it's very flat and dead, lifeless. So it would be great if I could get a nice colour and a bit of body as well, the hair.
So you want us to put you a nice body perm in
Yes,
here, yes?
yes.
As you see, she has a very, very flat hair. What we want to do is to put her a nice body in perm. The perm will give her nice volume. The problem is she has very, very flat and very fine. Every time when she tries to put rollers in the hair, after 1-2 hours she loses the volume because there is no movement in her hair. So we're gonna try to put her a nice body perm in her hair. So we will show you how we do that, and we will see you later. So in this moment we say bye-bye. Yes, we are here with Helen. As you see, the perm is perfect on. We are very happy with it. Now we're gonna try to cut the hair. So we part first the hair. For the hair, you don't have to work, just a little bit for as much as you can, so you have long hair from your hair. You turn it like that. As you see, 1, 2, 3 parted, and now we're gonna part this one also. It's really important point. Okay, so I'm gonna part this one here. This one also, and the last one is here. One and here. So so now we have at the party. Now we're gonna start to cut the hair. So first what you do is, first put your deadline. The first, they call it the line, the basic line we have here. So you cut here, a little bit, not too short. So you don't want to have it too long also. So first line. Perfect now. This is the first one. Now we're going to try to put here a little bit layer. You have a lovely nice curve in it, so we don't make the layer too short. It's not needed. I'm going to turn a little bit like that, so you see the line that I'm cutting. We'll cut from here just a little bit here. You will have so the second line. Third line. Just easy and simple haircut for her, so she don't need to do that. So see, very nice, lovely. So when you cut the hair, you see the perm better because the hair is very long now. Very nice, beautiful hairstyle. See, very nice. Okay, now we go to the second line. The same, we leave it as much we can. So we cut the second line with the hair and cut just a little bit here. So the layer will stay in the hair. With the perm inside, it stays perfect. See? Very nice. Good? Yeah. See, this is the line. So now we're going to control all this here. So we go down and come the hair up. Go down, come up, go down, and come up. See? So take this one here, and this one. There's only one point. So on this side, it's same, but just a little bit easy. So now we go to the line. See? We don't very short. The first part is done. Now we go to the second side. This one we leave it as much we can. So we got here just really 1.5 centimeter, no more. You see, and then we will close these two lines together. So just let it end. So just a little bit here. Okay, now we're done. We're gonna control it to the front. So we come back here to the front. Just very good. You can see the perm more now when you put the hair.
Yeah.
You see the start. Now we go to this side. So we're gonna go here. That's the first line. Then when you have a body perm, when you blow dry the hair, it stays at least 1 week perfect. The hair that goes to the body inside the hair. Whether it's a movement in your hair, and you can feel it's very good perm inside. Can you feel it? Same. This is the same. Very nice. Now this is the last part. Yes. This is the last part, the most important part. Yes, see, very nice. So I've got here. Not too short, also not too long. Because you want to keep it perfectly. See. I'm going to control this and this together. So, very nice, very good, very style. Here we don't have nothing because it was already short. Here we don't want to cut nothing, but we're going to just do it together. So see how it goes. So as long as you can have a fringe, because it's more attractive. Here, because the side is looking different than the other side. So, I can feel it in my hands. When I'm touching the hair, the curl is perfect. You feel it? Yeah. You see, it's not dry or anything else in the soft we have in the house. See? It's very nice, yeah? And you're going to lose 20% next week after the first wash. But don't worry about it because it's you see? Yeah, it's a movement. Yeah. Even if you don't have time to blow dry anything, just put some product in your hair and comb the hair like that. You see? This movement makes your eyes beautiful more. It's very attractive to very nice. This is to protect your hair from everything. Don't put too much. So the way you put a mousse in your hair, I'll show you. You just slowly, and this is a keratin, you see. You don't want to put too much very fast, you see. Slowly. Because this is a keratin, it goes slowly in your hair. are here back with Helen from Ireland. As you see, this is her finishing touch. Little bit very nice, a beautiful body perm in the hair. I'm gonna turn a little bit so you can see her hair. Beautiful, nice, lovely, and very easy to wear. Very nice here. Let's turn it. Yes, so you can see the perm. This is a lovely, nice movement and very nice volume. Yes, and so very nice, easy to style for her home also. And so here is Helen from Ireland. She visited us for first time and she was our model for today. So we thank her very much. And so we want to ask Helen, do you like your hair?
Yes, very much so.
You like the perm and the makeup, everything? Yes. Thank you very much, Helen. Do you want to say anything to everybody there in the world?
I just want to say thank you to everybody here and that you were so nice to me.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Helen from Ireland. She visited us from Ireland. Thank you very much. And we wish you a very nice time.
Thank you very much.
This is Vivian Hair Design from Spain. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.